Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Everyday E-Learning. I'm going to show you how to install and set up Anaconda Python and as well as Jupyter Notebook on Windows operating system. So first you have to choose your preferable browser. I choose Google Chrome here. Now we will search for Anaconda download and we will go for the first link, individual edition Anaconda. Then after scrolling down, in the bottom you can see that Anaconda installer. It has another platforms in Linux, Mac OS. So now we will go for Windows. First option, 64-bit graphical installer, or you can, if you need, you can also download 32 bits. I will go for 64 bits. Okay, so you can see that. Let's wait for finishing our download. So our downloading is complete. Now I will click in show in folder and double click. So now you can see that there is a welcome window. So click next to continue. So we'll click next and there is a license agreement. You have to agree the license. So I click I agree and there is an option install for just me or all users. I will click in keep in just me. So choose your destination folder. I will keep defaulted. Now click next and there is a option, advanced option. If you are new in a Python program, or if your device doesn't downloaded Python software, so then you can click in this option and add Anaconda to my path environment variable. But my device already has Python, so I don't need to click in this option. So now I will click install and now we will wait for completing our installation. It will take few minutes. Our installation is completed successfully. Then we will click next. So you can skip it if you don't want to download by chance. So now I click. Then if let's uncheck this options and now click finish. And then in your device you will search for Anaconda prompt to check the Python version. Now we will type Python space hyphen version, enter. So you can see that it is Python 3.9.7. Okay. Now again, we will search for Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator. So for the first time, it will take few minutes to start your Anaconda Navigator. You have to wait for few minutes as you are installing Anaconda for the first time. So now you can see that Anaconda Navigator is installed. You can see here there is a home, environments, learning and community. You can go for a look if you want. I will show you now how can we set up Jupyter Notebook. There is other options you can set up as well. So now we will simply just click in the launch button. Then it will take us directly to Jupyter Notebook. Homepage, localhost 8888/3. Okay, so now we need to choose option desktop. I will go for the folder Jupyter Notebook, and now we will create Python 3 Jupyter Notebook over here. So our installation of Jupyter Notebook is complete. We set up and now I will show you a print everyday e-learning. Enter. Okay, so now we will run and you can see everyday e-learning is printed. So thank you for watching this video.